Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable ClickBank Hoplink integration in WordPress, full guide step by step clearly. To enable ClickBank Hoplink integration in WordPress, start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. In the dashboard, navigate to the Plugins section. Click on Add New to search for a suitable plugin. In the search bar, type Thirsty Affiliates or another preferred affiliate link management plugin. Click Install Now on the plugin you've chosen. After the installation completes, click Activate to enable the plugin. Once activated, go to the Thirsty Affiliates option in the left sidebar. Click on Add New Link to create a new hoplink. In the URL field, paste your ClickBank hoplink. Enter a name for your hoplink in the link name field. Optionally, you can categorize your link for easier management. Scroll down to configure additional settings if needed. Click the Add Link button to save your hoplink. Next, create a new post or edit an existing one where you want to include the hoplink. In the post editor, highlight the text that will become the clickable link. Click on the Insert Link button in the toolbar. In the pop-up, search for your hoplink by name or URL. Select the hoplink and click Insert. Review your post and ensure the link works correctly by previewing it. Once everything looks good, publish or update your post. Your ClickBank Hoplink integration is now enabled and ready to drive traffic. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.